guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World Channel. In our last video about the earthquake in Mindanao, I made mention about the morbid premonition that was observed through our animals. The monkeys, I made this vlog because we know that we wanted to float the idea that monkeys and other animals have morbid premonitions. So before that Mindanao earthquake, I said that it was already sensed by our animals and it was already sensed by the birds, because the birds, the birds are hovering all around the area 1 hour before this Mindanao powerful earthquake. So we are so happy, and well, I'm not happy for those who became victims of the earthquake, but I am so thankful that the earthquake spared this place in our city. Although we believe that, or we heard from the news that there is still a big one coming. Well, we don't know when it would come, when it would happen, but the only thing that I can say is we have to be prepared for this. So the amount of preparation is also very needed. We will bring up the consciousness to our minds and our emotions, that whenever there is a catastrophe like powerful earthquake, we have to be still, and we have to keep calm, and of course make some move in order to save ourselves. So this is now the aftermath of the earthquake, and you will see that this place had been slightly damaged because the cracks are there. I am inspecting all around and I can see many cracks in the pond. So if ever this will not be addressed, this would somehow cause some leaking, and eventually we will have hard times, especially that our fish is the fish are here. So it's not easy to catch them all, because we wanted to save them, to catch them all and place in another container because there are so plenty. And I'm not ready for this. I instructed my staff to look around and inspect the cracks, and we will put that immediately cement. So you can suggest whatever remedy that we can do on this particular problem. I am thinking about the cement and the fine sand, which will be used temporarily to avert the problem. So this is our problem today. You will see over there we have some bamboos that are not, the cut, it was broken actually, and this is one of the concerns that we have. That's why I talked to an engineer and discussed with him the possible ways on how to make this concrete. So I'm planning to make this concrete as hard as this. So what we need is to erect some posts underneath, and of course this would be made very sturdy so that it can cater more than 100 people every time that there is an occasion. So aside from this, we also would like to make this pathway look presentable by putting some tiles. So this is quite expensive, but we have to upgrade the facility so that many people can also enjoy and make this presentable, especially when they are uploading videos and even photos on their social media account. I am not quite happy to see some flaws. So to make this or to put a tile over this bridge is actually a good idea, I think. And what do you think about it? And the next project that we can do over here is also to make the flooring of this boathouse concrete. So the slabbing would now be made easy for us because we already have the bamboos. If you will see here, the bamboos are still very strong to support the iron bars that we're gonna lay out and then pour cement, and that would be, I think, the advantage part of the construction, because we will not anymore be doing some slabbing activities in order to hold our concrete cement. So this is a work in progress, and I believe that this is not this is not difficult because we already have the structure, and momentarily, of course, we will stop the operation of the restaurant, and then we will still continue, and we will use this part to cater our visitors and our customers. So that would be a very major that's a major project that we're gonna do here, and that would be seen and that would be witnessed maybe next month. So I hope that we can do that, and we have improved a lot in terms of statue making, animal statue, and in fact we can already see that a gorilla is already sitting right there, a female gorilla, and it is supposed to carry a baby, and that would be a very exciting development that we can see here. And you can suggest what type of animal that we gonna put in there. Maybe the giraffe, we can see that, and the zebra and the lions. So these are all the updates that we can give you today, and I hope you will continue to like and share videos. We're moving slow, but the fact is, and the good thing is, we're moving, no matter how slow it is. But since we have that PhD, perseverance, hard work, and determination, as what I've always said, then I think we can see many more developments for this farm. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next vlog tomorrow on here at Dexter's World.